Many of you at home might be asking yourselves, how do I catch a wiener dog? Well, we're about to show you how to do just that. First, he'll come to this suspiciously open door and find a chocolate chip. Then, he'll make his way to find another chocolate chip and a whole trail of them leading to the cage. Now this cage has been rigged up with weights and a pulley system going through the chair and out the back side. Now, the trapper will pull this rope just in time to catch a puppy.
And we're gonna come and meet the members of our dog team. First, it's me. I'm the leader because I like dogs so much. We got Anchor, who likes to cube, and what else do you like to do, Anchor?
I like eating dogs.
That's good. That's good. And Max, he's our trapper for the day.
I really like dogs, but I never thought I'd be eating them and liking that too.
That's good. That's good. So we got some first timers, and we're gonna see if this trap will work. So let's have a look. Well, usually I like to, bash them on the head or something first, and it's a little less painful for them. This is my first time actually trapping one, but yeah, it should be a good experience.
Yeah, of course. I love eating dog. Do it all the time.
What? We're eating him? Oh, we all like this one.
Here he comes. He's eating the chocolate chips.
No, Aaron.
It's okay. Drop it. No, wait, don't. Wait, he's gone. He's gone. Drop it. Drop it. He's stuck.
Yeah. Dogs. They're pretty delicious.
I'd say about 23 dogs. Yeah. Rudy would be my 24th. So.
I didn't know we were actually going to be killing them, but now I'm kind of interested in what they're going to taste like.
We made some revisions to our original trap. We've added pillows on either side, so he has to go in through the front. We removed the carpet so we could see all of the chocolate chips. And hopefully this trap will work. Come see him.
He's got me and she thinks I'm so long.
He trapped Rudy! Now, this is how you trap a wiener dog. Except for you might want a heavier... Now, Rudy! He's in there. And he's trapped. He's trapped pretty good. There's the eye of the beast.
We have successfully trapped a wiener dog. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We trapped a dog! We trapped a dog! Yeah!
Gold diggers fall, don't ask me why or how. I'll be having none of that. She's got a kind of wicked charisma, and it's pulling me close, pulling me close. She's got a voice like angelic melisma. Her lips taste like cappuccino and